3. Online counselling. Many people prefer to go online looking for counselling rather than meeting a counsellor in person. The counselling session can occur via email, video conferencing, online chat, or even internet phone. They feel they can be a little more anonymous that way, and there's also the convenience of not needing to drive anywhere, which can be a bonus. If you have the skills and ability to counsel people effectively, this could be an ideal online job for you. You don't need to have any special degree, although it would obviously give you a competitive advantage. If you're interested in becoming an online counsellor, you should first check the laws in your state or country to determine the requirements for becoming a counsellor. People who make good counsellors are usually those who are interested in psychology, self-awareness, as well as self-improvement, and also have a strong desire to help others with their problems. A good listening ear also helps. In order to become an online counsellor, here are some steps you can take. Create a website that lists your current qualifications and how you are able to help people. Just be sure not to overstep what you're legally allowed to say and do. Once you have a website, you can start advertising it on social networks, amongst friends, in local newspapers, and with pay-per-click marketing, such as Google AdWords and Bing Ads. Something even as simple as placing an ad in the Yellow Pages or local newspapers can be an effective way to generate new business. Once you start taking new clients, you will start to build up your customer base and see repeat appointments. When first starting out, you should start collecting testimonials from the people you help and then put those testimonials on your website to build your credibility. There are numerous websites and colleges which offer online counselling courses that you can use to enhance your skills and credibility. Here are a couple of the most popular ones. Blackford Centre for Counselling. They give you the tools and techniques you need to help people as a counsellor. The course is full of activities, suggestions, tips and ideas that you can instantly use with your clients. They also explain how to set up your own counselling practice. The Institute of Counselling. According to their website, the course you choose will extend your natural talents and make you a more effective counsellor or career. According to their website, the course you choose will extend your natural talents and make you a more effective counsellor or carer. Your interpersonal skills, like those of listening, understanding, and empathizing, will be explored and developed so that the help and support you ultimately give will be effective. Online Counselling College. The Online Counselling College offers opportunities for professional development and personal growth. All of their courses are available to first-time students as well as to experienced practitioners. How much can I make out of being an online counsellor? Depending on your skill level and reputation, you can make anywhere from $15 to $200 per hour and upwards. Just like real-world counselling, the salaries of online counsellors can vary quite a lot depending on your location and qualifications. If you're starting out in the field, you shouldn't expect to be making as much as someone who has 5 to 10 years of experience, who might make upwards of $100,000 annually. If you are working independently as an online counsellor, you have the power to set the prices for your services, which means you will have at least a little more control over your income than someone working for an organisation.